Oh, what are you doing, you perverted cat? No, no, stop that. What are you doing that for? Oh, okay, I see how it is. Oh, now you're gonna show your ass to me?
Yes, we are. We are Khajiit, but our tribe never left our home. We've come to guard you, as we were ordered by our pride leader, Deep Claw.
Were you also ordered to stick your face into Gandalf's crotch and then show your ass to me? Is that your tradition here? Hmm? Hmm? Oh, I see how it is. Oh, yes. My god, teleporting cats. By the 9, what is this place? I know the flag's moving, but holy hell, that's the stillest flag ever. I know this is a random video. Don't mind it. Hallelujah! Ow. If you're wondering why videos are on hold, I decided to wait to make new videos until family stuff passes over, which will probably be a month. I'll probably just upload silly little videos to like this. Hey Gandalf. This is also a 10th video, so I think it's F8.